Now that your screencast is done, let's show you how to get it into your Google Drive from your iPad. First thing you'll do is select your video, and then up top you can select the Apple Share icon and select Google Drive. It's going to prepare this file to upload into your Google Drive. After it's prepared, you will see that you have the option to select the account. You'll select your EastPen account. You can then, down at the bottom, select your folder. Select My Drive, and I have a folder called Screencast. If you don't, you can create that folder by using the folder with a plus in it. But I'm going to scroll down to where it says Screencast. I'll select that, and then select Save Here. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the name by tapping up here. Notice this is a .mov file. I'm going to keep that .mov. One is finding volume.mov. Then I'll select Upload.